How to download Warzone on PS5. First of all, on the home screen of your PlayStation console, you want to go to the top right hand corner where it says search, click X on that, then you want to type in Call of Duty, not just Warzone, it has to be Call of Duty as there isn't a Warzone game app for you to download. It has to be this one that I'm going for here. You don't want to download this one straight up because it's going to ask you to pay. You don't need to do that if you want to play Warzone. You just want to go to this app, Call of Duty here. Then you'll want to scroll down on the section to just use your left stick to go down, or the D-pad, until you see the Choose Edition section where you want to go to the left, and then you'll see Warzone. It should be there. Click on that. It might automatically put in the games. You want to delete them just by hovering over them. Then click in the bin, recycling bin icon. Then you want to, once it says 0 in the top right hand corner, tick the consent and then click on order and pay. You don't need to have any card details or anything for that. And then once you've done that, you can just go ahead and click download PS version or continue, because you will need to download the Call of Duty app, not just the Warzone by itself, unfortunately. So it is a lot more of a download. That's just how it works. So you want to go ahead and click through that and then click install. Then it will take quite a while. It might even take you an hour or so to be able to download the whole full thing. It's over 100 gigabytes. But once that's done, it will eventually download. Then you can go in there and play. Leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos.